Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will be talking about health benefits of black seed oil, like kalonji seed oil or kalonji seeds. So if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, give it a like, share and comment. Black seeds are also called kalonji or black onion seeds. They come from a small plant called Nigella sativa, which grows in Eastern Europe, Western Asia, and the Middle East. Black seed oil is loaded with various health benefits. Few people consider it as go-to remedy for many health issues. Uses of kalonji oil. It treats rheumatoid arthritis. Kalonji or black seed oil eases the pain caused due to rheumatoid arthritis by increasing the lubrication between the joints. Allergic nose problems. If you are suffering from severe allergies that are causing persistent cold and chest congestion, all you need is a spoonful of kalonji oil. Rub lukewarm oil on the chest to ease congestion and to prevent a runny nose and sneezing. It relieves asthma. Kalonji oil works wonders for those suffering from asthma. It improves vision. Kalonji or black seed oil instantly cures eye-related problems like eye redness, continuous watering. Being a powerhouse of various vitamins, these seeds also aid in improving vision and also prevent cataract. What are the benefits of kalonji seeds? Kalonji seeds prevents diabetes. The primary function of kalonji seeds is the prevention of diabetes. These seeds prevent a sudden spike in the levels of blood sugar and can also prevent other symptoms caused due to diabetes. Regular intake of kalonji oil, seeds or supplements not only improves fasting blood sugar but also develops insulin resistance. It protects liver. Kalonji seeds save the liver from toxicity by regularizing its functions like metabolism, processing nutrients and minerals that are important for the health. Take kalonji seeds or oil daily to reduce the toxicity of chemicals to safeguard both liver and kidneys. It lowers cholesterol. Bad cholesterol or LDL is a major risk factor behind the cardiac disease. Using kalonji oil significantly brings down the levels of bad cholesterol while kalonji seed power improves HDL or good cholesterol. It acts as anti-cancerous properties. Kalonji seeds aid in neutralizing free radicals that can cause different types of cancers. Strong teeth. Chew on few kalonji seeds daily for stronger teeth and gums. These seeds serve as instant remedy if you are suffering from swollen gums, bleeding gums and premature falling of teeth. Clears cracked heels. Rub black seeds powder or oil on the affected area to clear the cracks. You can also mix kalonji oil with lemon juice and massage on the sole. This mixture not only clears bacteria but also softens the skin. Remedies for menstrual issues. Women during the menstruation stage are often troubled with the premenstrual syndrome. Some women may experience intense abdominal cramp while others may have to handle with an irregular cycle. Black seed oil aid to manage abdominal cramps associated with the menstrual cycle and also ensures even blood flow. Augments skin health. Kalonji or black seeds naturally rich in bioactive compounds maintain skin glow and radiance. It promotes weight loss. Kalonji seeds when consumed with warm water help in shedding fat, aid use in slimming down. It boosts memory power. Imbued with essential fatty acids, iron, zinc, kalonji seeds enhance brain functions. It improves even immune system. Vast reserve of volatile oils, vitamins, kalonji seeds stimulates T cells and immune response. Natural painkiller. Potent inflammatory effects of kalonji seeds alleviate headaches or joint pains. Like any other ingredient, kalonji or black seed should be taken in moderate amounts to avoid adverse effects. If you are planning to give kalonji oil to the children below 5 years, talk to the doctor first. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding schedule or recovering from a surgery, seek doctor's advice before consuming these seeds. So these are about benefits of kalonji oil or seeds. So if you find something informative, consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you.